Welcome to Beautyistic, where we give you the inside scoop on everything beauty related. Today, we're talking about a product that's a game changer for dry, flaky lips, the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask. If you struggle with dry lips, this overnight treatment could be the answer you've been searching for. But let's dive deeper and see if it lives up to the hype. The LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask is designed to hydrate, nourish, and repair your lips while you sleep. It comes in a gel formula and is infused with skin-loving ingredients like vitamin C, Shea Butter, and Murumuru Butter. These ingredients work together to help your lips feel soft and smooth, reducing any dryness or cracks you might wake up with. In my personal experience, I was intrigued by how easily the mask glides onto the lips. The gel texture is light but rich enough to feel like it's truly nourishing without being sticky or heavy. I've used it during a couple of restless nights where I often wake up with dry patches on my lips, and I have to say, the improvement is noticeable by morning. The mask works its magic overnight, leaving lips feeling plump and hydrated the next day. One thing I noticed while testing it was how it didn't just sit on top of the lips, like some lip balms or treatments tend to do. It absorbed well, and my lips felt soft all night long. The natural finish means there's no glossy residue, which I personally prefer, especially for something I'm wearing while I sleep. As for the pros, the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask is highly effective at hydrating dry lips. It's super easy to apply, and a little goes a long way. It's perfect for anyone who's prone to chapped lips, especially during colder months or in drier environments. Plus, the addition of vitamin C adds an extra layer of nourishment, which makes the mask feel like a treat for your lips. However, no product is perfect. The main downside I found was that, like many high-end beauty treatments, this one comes at a premium price point. While I'd say it's worth it for its effectiveness, if you're on a tight budget, it may not be the best choice for daily use. The scent might also be a tad too sweet for some users, although it didn't bother me. When it comes to value for money, I'd say the product is definitely an investment if you prioritize lip care. The ingredients are top tier, and the performance matches the claims. However, if you're looking for something more affordable, there are a few alternatives out there that perform similarly, but without the luxury price tag. As far as build quality goes, I'm impressed with the packaging. The jar is sturdy, and the mask itself doesn't dry out quickly like some treatments do. The longevity of the product is also good. You don't need to apply it in heavy layers, so it'll last quite a while even with regular use. Now, as far as customer support goes, I haven't had to contact LANEIGE for anything related to this product, but the brand is generally known for being responsive and customer-friendly. They tend to stand behind their products, which is always reassuring when investing in a premium skincare item. In terms of product alternatives, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, I'd recommend trying the Burt's Bees Overnight Lip Treatment or the Aquaphor Lip Repair. Both of these are more affordable options, though they may not have quite the same luxury feel as the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask. To sum it up, the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask is an excellent product for anyone dealing with dry or flaky lips. It delivers on its promise to hydrate and restore softness overnight thanks to its high-quality ingredients. While it's a bit on the pricey side, it's definitely a product I'd recommend to those who want something that truly works and are willing to invest in their lip care routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.